Good morning, my dear friends. Last class we have discussed the conditions of negative angles and value table for the trigonometric functions. So today I am going to discuss the domain, range and graph of the trigonometric functions. So as you know that domain means set of all input values and range means set of all output values. So to find the domain and range of this trigonometric function y is equals to sin x, let's draw the graph of the sin x function. Let this is the y axis and let this is the x axis, origin, x dash, y dash, and now along the positive direction of x axis pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 2 get cancelled, pi, and then 3 pi by 2, and then 4 pi by 2, 2 ones are 2 pi, and along the negative direction of x axis minus pi by 2, minus pi, and then minus 3 pi by 2 and minus 2 pi. Along the y axis, that this point is equals to 1 and this is 2, and this one is minus 1 and this one is the minus 2. Now let values of x and values of y. So values of x 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi, 0 and then pi by 2 and then pi and then 3 pi by 2 and then 2 pi and then minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2 and minus 2 pi. Now, when x is equals to 0, the value of y will be the sin 0. We know that sin 0 is equals to 0. Therefore, when x is equals to 0, y is 0. When x is equals to pi by 2, the value of y will be sin pi by 2. X is equal to pi by 2. And we know that sin 90 degree, pi by 2 in terms of degree is respect to 90 degree. Sin 90 degree is equals to what? 1. Therefore, when x is equals to pi by 2, the value of y is equals to 1. Now, when x is equals to pi, the value of y is equals to sin pi. And we know that integral multiples of pi over sin is 0. Discuss so sin pi 0, sin 2 pi 0, sin 3 pi 0. Therefore, the value of sin pi is equals to 0. When x is equals to pi, the value of y is equals to 0. Now, when x is equals to 3 pi by 2, when x is equals to 3 pi by 2, we know the value of sin pi by 2, but sin 3 pi by 2 value gottilla. So to find the value of sin 3 pi by 2, we use the help of allied angle formulas. Allied angle formula use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು sin 3 pi by 2 value find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, which is equals to sin as it is. Sin 3 pi by 2 is equal to, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ 3 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ 2 ಇದೆ. ಈ 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾವೆ? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, and so on. Now, so among these, 2 is one of the nearest number for 3. ಈ 2 ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 2 ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. Therefore, sin of 1 pi, sin of 1 pi, 2 ones are 2. E2 3 ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ನಿಂದ ಕಳೆದ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಕ 1 ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. therefore ಪ್ಲಸ್ and then next ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ pi by 5. ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ sin pi plus theta, pi ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದು 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ in terms of degree. therefore sin of theta value pi by 2 ಆಗಿದೆ. we know that sin of 180 plus theta is equal to 180 plus theta lies in third quadrant. in third quadrant sin ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, and ಈ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ sin ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, as it is ಇರುತ್ತೆ sin theta. therefore sin 180 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. hence sin 180 plus theta, here pi radian is 180 degree, the value of theta is pi by 2, which is equal to minus sin theta. Theta value is pi by 2. And we know that the value of sin 90, so minus as it is sin pi by 2 value is 1. therefore when x is equal to 3 pi by 2, the value of y is equal to minus 1. I hope all of you understand. Now when x is equal to 2 pi, when x is equal to 2 pi, the value of y is equal to sin 2 pi. And we know that integral multiples of pi ಒಳಗೆ sin 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, therefore sin 2 pi is equal to 0. so when x is equal to 2 pi, the value of y is 0. now when x is equal to minus pi by 2, y is equal to sin of minus pi by 2. and we know that one formula, that is sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Here the value of theta is pi by 2, which is equal to sin of minus theta minus sin theta. Theta value is pi by 2, which is equal to minus, as it is sin pi by 2 is 1. therefore when x is equal to minus pi by 2, the value of y is minus 1. and now when x is equal to minus pi, when x is equal to minus pi, sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Theta value is pi, and we know that the value of sin pi is 0. so when x is equal to minus pi, value of y is 0. and now when x is equal to minus 3 pi by 2, when x is equal to minus 3 pi by 2, sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. so minus, as it is now ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ sin 3 pi by 2 value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು minus 1 ಬಂತು. so minus, as it is, the value of sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, which is equal to minus into minus plus 1. therefore when x is equal to minus 3 pi by 2, the value of y is 1. and now when x is equal to minus 2 pi, y is equal to sin of minus 2 pi, which is equal to sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, minus sin 2 pi. and we know that integral multiples of pi over sin is 0. so when x is equal to minus 2 pi, the value of y is 0. the value of y is 0. I hope all of you understand. now when x equals to 0, the value of y is 0. when x equals to pi by 2, the value of y is 1. when x is equals to pi, the value of y is 0. when x is equals to 3 pi by 2, the value of y is minus 1. when x is equals to 2 pi, the value of y is 0. and now when x is equals to minus pi by 2, the value of y is minus 1. when x is equals to minus pi, the value of y is 0. when x is equals to minus 3 pi by 2, the value of y is 1. the value of y is 1. and now when x is equals to minus 2 pi, the value of y is 0. join these points, which is the required graph of y is equal to sin x function. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ join ಅಂತ. So this is the graph of y is equal to sin x. And now What is the domain of the function sin x? Now what? Domain and range of the sin x function. We know that domain means set of all input values. Now input ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 0 pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2 2 pi 3 pi 4 pi and so on, and minus pi by 2 minus pi minus 3 pi by 2 minus 2 pi minus 3 pi minus 4 pi and so on. Therefore these are all considered as the real numbers. I already discussed when we are discussing about the relation between radian measures and real numbers. So real numbers and radian measures are one and same. Therefore these are all considered as the real numbers. Therefore the domain of the sin x function is set of real numbers. And now what is the range of the sin x function? Output value for ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ -1 ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು 1 ತನಕ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. -1 ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, 1 ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So therefore the range of the sin x function is closer with -1 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ output value. When x is equal to minus pi by 2 value is -1. When x is equal to plus pi by 2 value is 1. Therefore including with -1 up to close with +1. This is the domain, range and graph of the sin x function. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a look. So now domain, range and graph of the y is equal to cos x function. So this is y axis. And this one is the x axis. Origin y dash. And here along the positive x axis and pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. And same here minus pi by 2 minus pi minus 3 pi by 2 and minus 2 pi. This is equals to 1 2 minus 1 minus 1. Now when x is equals to 0, when x equals to 0, the value of y is equals to cos 0, and we know that the value of cos 0 is 1. Therefore when x is equals to 0, y is equals to 1. Now when x is equals to pi by 2, the value of y is equals to cos pi by 2, and we know that cos pi by 2 is equals to 0. Pi by 2 is 90 degree, cos 90 value is 0. And now when x is equals to pi, the value of y is cos pi. So the value of cos n pi is equals to plus 1 when n is even. If n is even, and the value of cos n pi is minus 1 when n is odd. So therefore here cos pi means 1 pi. 1 is odd. Odd is the value of cos n pi is minus 1. So when x is equals to pi, the value of y is equals to minus 1. So therefore y is equals to minus 1. And now when x is equals to 3 pi by 2, when x is equals to 3 pi by 2, cos of 3 pi by 2. So we know the value of cos pi by 2, but we don't know the value of cos 3 pi by 2. So again by using the allied angle formula, cos 3 pi by 2 can be written as cos of pi plus pi by 2. So cos of pi plus pi by 2 how formula is cos of 180 plus theta formula. 180 plus theta lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant cos is negative, so minus. And in terms of 180 degree cos change as it is. So cos of 180 plus theta is minus cos theta. Here, so cos of pi plus theta, pi is nothing but 180 degree. The value of theta is pi by 2. Therefore, the value of cos pi plus pi by 2 is minus cos pi by 2. equals to 3 pi by 2, the value of y is 0. And next, when x is equals to 2 pi, value of y is cos of 2 pi. So when n is an even number, the value of cos n pi is 180. So value of n is only 2. 2 means even number. So it means the value of cos 2 pi value is 1. So when x is equals to 2 pi, the value of y is equals to 1. And next, when x is equals to minus pi by 2, when x is equals to minus pi by 2, the value of y is equals to cos of minus pi by 2. And we know that cos of minus theta is equals to cos theta. We discuss conditions of negative angles. So therefore, cos of minus pi by 2 is equals to what? Cos pi by 2. Is theta value pi by 2. And we know that the value of cos pi by 2 is equals to 0. So therefore, when x is equals to minus pi by 2, the value of y is 0. And next, when x is equals to minus pi, y is equals to cos of minus pi. And by using this identity, cos of minus pi is equals to cos pi. So cos pi value is the minus 1. Minus 1. So therefore, when x is equals to minus pi, the value of y is minus 1. And now, when x is equals to minus 3 pi by 2, y is equals to cos of minus 3 pi by 2, which is equals to cos of minus theta is cos theta, that is cos of 3 pi by 2. Now both the cos 3 pi by 2 value rest on the 0. When x is equals to next minus 2 pi, when x is equals to minus 2 pi, value of y is cos of minus 2 pi, which is equals to cos of minus theta is cos theta. So cos 2 pi value is 1. So therefore, when x is equals to minus 2 pi, the value of y is 1. Now, draw the graph. When x equals to 0, the value of y is 1. When x is equals to pi by 2, the value of y is 0. When x is equals to pi, the value of y is minus 1. When x is equals to 3 pi by 2, the value of y is 0. When x is equals to 2 pi, the value of y is 1. Now, when x is equals to minus pi by 2, the value of y is 0. When x is equals to minus pi, the value of y is minus 1. When x is equals to minus 3 pi by 2, the value of y is 0. When x is equals to minus 2 pi, the value of y is 1. The value of y is 1. Now join these points and this is the required graph of the function y is equals to cos x. So this is the required graph of the function y is equals to cos x. And what is the domain and the range of this function y is equals to cos x? Now what? Domain and range. So in our example, x is equals to 0 pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2 2 pi minus pi by 2 minus pi minus 3 pi by 2 minus 2 pi and so on so. And these are all considered as the real numbers. Therefore, the domain of the function y is equals to cos x is set of real numbers. And the range of the function y is equals to cos x is 1, 0, minus 1. This is a continuous function. Therefore, the range of the function y is equals to cos x is closed with when x is equals to 0, y value 1 बराबर. When x is equals to minus pi, the value of y is minus 1. Therefore, closed with minus 1, closed with 1. This is the range of the function y is equals to cos x. So you may observe here, domain and range of the function y is equals to sin x and y is equals to cos x. graph of the given function y is equals to cos x is different from y is equals to sin x. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a